Printful plus WooCommerce is one of the most powerful free print-on-demand setups. Steps: create free accounts. Sign up at printful.com, free forever. Plus, install WordPress plus WooCommerce on any hosting, even $3 per month hosting works. Install Printful plugin, WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search. Printful integration for WooCommerce. Install and activate. Connect Printful. After activation, WooCommerce, Printful, connect. Log into your Printful account. Authorize, done. Add, products, Printful dashboard, catalog, choose item, for example t-shirt, design, generate mockups, click add to store, select your WooCommerce site, publish. Product instantly appears in WooCommerce, products. Set pricing and shipping. In WooCommerce, edit product, set retail price. For example, Printful cost $32, sell $59. Printful auto adds real-time shipping rates at checkout. Orders sync automatically, customer buys. Order goes to Printful, printed and shipped in 2 to 5 days. Tracking auto updates in WooCommerce.